5 Best Laser Tape Measure. Here is the product number 5. SNDWAY Laser Distance Meter. This item is portable and reliable in measuring, making your measurement more accurate, simple and faster. The rangefinder can be widely used in construction and industries, especially in large areas such as rooms, apartments, buildings, real estates, factories, etc. Built-in rechargeable 3.7V/850 mAh lithium battery with USB cable. Here is the product number 4. Laser Meter Laser Distance Measure 40M. MAKINGTEC Laser Roulette Laser Rangefinder Digital Tape Measuring Tape Laser Distance Meter Digital Rangefinder Laser Length Meter. Data record, 20 records, auto power off, after 45 seconds, auto cut off laser, after 15 seconds, measuring units, meter, inch/feet. Battery life, about 3000 measurements. Here is the product number 3. Laser Distance Measurer Meter Height Measurement. Mileseey X5 New Model Laser Rangefinder Tool Laser Distance Measurer Meter Height Measurement Instrument Laser Distance Measurer. Measurement accuracy, ±2 mm. Power type, battery powered. Laser type, 650 nanometers. Weight, 120 grams. Here is the product number 2. Trena Measure Tape Medidor Laser Ruler. Brand name, LOMVUM. Model number, LVB. Measurement accuracy, 3 mm. Color, orange and black. Measurement, 40 meters. Bubble level, electronic bubble level. Unit, M, in per foot. Data storage, 20. Weight, 76 grams. Measurement times per batteries, more than 5,000 times. Here is the product number 1. Laser Distance Meter Electronic Roulette Laser, measuring accuracy, ±2 mm. Measuring units, M, in per foot plus in laser class, class 2. 4-line display with backlight, yes. Historical memory, 20. Button, soft rubber buttons. Auto laser off, 30 seconds. Auto instrument off, 180 seconds. Beeper, yes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.